working on 3 trays today. We're going to do my beaded tray and we're going to do the white tray. I always really like to do the white tray for Christmas. And then I picked up this new scalloped tray from just one level tray from TJ Maxx. I think we'll try this. This will be something new. So I picked up these cute little gingerbread figures here. These are from Hobby Lobby and I just thought they were adorable. And I'm going to see which one works on which tray. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use these. And then I have some other pieces here I'm going to show you that we're going to add in. I'd really like to do a neutral tray. We'll see. We're going to pull out some of these other pieces that I already have that I've had for a while now. You see that large ornament in the back that's on the white tray? I really would like to be able to use that too. That's a new ornament. Actually, I have 4 of those. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to start, and you can see right away, this is really too tall. I don't want to have a piece that big on top. I feel like it would make the tray top heavy. So we're going to use the smaller pieces on this tray here. I really wanted to make this a neutral tray. I'm just not having enough pieces here to really make it work correctly. So we're going to play with a couple different things here. And I took that ornament off, and I'm going to put that ornament on the tree with the other 3 ornaments. I think that'll look better with my small flocked tree, which, by the way, I'll probably, hopefully, fingers crossed, do a video for decorating the trees in the next couple weeks. So I have my little salt and pepper shaker gingerbread train there, and that I believe is from, I think that's from Cracker Barrel. So I've got it up there. I don't know, you tell me what you think, because when I was doing this, I felt like it was clashing with the other gingerbread pieces, but now that I look at it on camera, it doesn't really look so bad. Interested to know what you think of that. So I'm really struggling with these pieces here. I feel like I really need to talk more. I like to play music, but I feel like I really need to talk more here because I feel like I have all these different pieces, but I feel like everything is really clashing. So it's taking me a little while here to work with all of these pieces and to figure out really what's going to work best. It's this side over here that I'm not real happy with, so I'm going to kind of change this up a bit here. I totally forgot I bought these marshmallow little marshmallow cups in the summertime when I was thrifting. And I just happened to go downstairs looking for more stuff, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I totally wanted to use these. All right, tray number 2, we're going to work on this new scalloped tray. This is great because even after the holidays, I'll be able to use this. I'm probably going to put this on my kitchen counter and gather up like my oils and things I use near the stove in it. That's really what I bought it for. But after I got it home, I'm like, this would make a great tray for Christmas. So this is where I'm going to use that larger piece of the gingerbread family, which is just so adorable, along with those cream-colored glitter trees from Hobby Lobby. Love those also. I feel like I need like another piece on this right side here, or I feel like I need like a napkin or some kind of textile piece underneath all of this. But I feel like it's okay for now. Lastly, we're going to decorate my beaded tray. And this tray I love. This one came from Amazon. Actually, the white one did too. I do have an Amazon store that is linked in the description below. If you're interested in seeing some of the things that I use for my trays and some other decor pieces, I do have a store linked below. So I used these little pieces last year. Also my cloches. My cloches are also linked in the store below. But there's this large cloche, and then there's 2 smaller ones, like they're graduated sizes. And hopefully those are available. For a while they weren't. I don't know, I haven't looked lately, but there is a link for them in my store. But anyways, these pictures here I made with Iron Orchid Designs. I made these last year, and I used the Iron Orchid Designs transfers, and I love these. I used some wood decorative trim pieces that I purchased from Menards, and I keep using these because I just think they're great. So I don't know if this is the second or third time I've used them. I'm losing track of when I did my DIYs and how many trays I've done. But I'm really loving them, and I'm loving them with these new acorns that I purchased. I actually used the acorns on my fall trays, and I can link my fall trays for you if you're interested in seeing those. And you can subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more IOD DIYs, or if you would like to see more tiered tray designs. These tend to be the 2 things that I do on here the most. And anyways, so I know I've used these little pictures before, but I just love them. I think they're wonderful, and I'm reusing them. I'm just kind of reinventing the way I do the trays this year. If you've enjoyed this video and watched to the end, I would love it if you would give me a thumbs up or leave a comment below. Consider sharing this video with someone else that you think might like it. Here are 2 more videos for you to watch if you're interested. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.